everyone, today's video is a recipe on an anti-aging pizza with tuna, vegetables, and cheese. The ingredients on this pizza is going to be so nutritious that it's going to help you glow from the inside out, and it's great for your health. So it's not your average pizza. For the crust, what we're going to be using is an actual wrap. And then I have tuna, and in the tuna, I have a tablespoon of olive oil with a half a squeezed lemon, along with turmeric, salt, pepper, and 5 cloves of garlic pressed. Then I have guacamole, Feta cheese, a cup of kale, spinach, shredded carrots, diced peppers, black olives that's chopped up, diced tomatoes, and this is without the seeds. I took all the seeds out and diced them all up, and also I removed the skin on this. And then I have chopped up cucumbers where I removed all the seeds as well and just chopped it all up. And then bella mushrooms. First thing we're going to do is, on medium heat, is warm up the wrap. We're going to do 15 seconds on each side. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I can actually slip my fingers in there because it's not that hot. So we'll do 15 on the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, we can remove that and we can transfer this onto the plate. Then we can start preparing. The first thing we're going to do is put guacamole in the center. And just like a pizza, we're going to leave the edges without any toppings. So we'll just put all the guacamole in the center. And this will be like the sauce. But it's guacamole, a healthier alternative. So we'll get that all in the center, spread it all out. So depending on how thick you want it, but I'm going to do it a little thicker than normal because I want to press all the ingredients in it. This way when you cut it and slice it, won't be as messy. Then I'll go ahead and put on the tuna. Tuna has so much omega-3 and protein and also vitamins that makes us healthy. Then I want to spread on the cheese, the Feta cheese. I'll just press it in there. Press it down in the guacamole. Then next I'm going to do the kale, spread it in there. And these are all chopped up. So I'll break it up even more into small pieces as I'm spreading it on there. Then the spinach. And press it down. Then the peppers. Oops. Shredded carrots. Tomatoes. Olives. Cucumbers. And then mushrooms. So I'm going to press it down in the guacamole. So let's give it a try. Just scoot this on the side. And then we're going to slice it just like a pizza. And just get a slice off. Just push everything down in the guacamole. And let's give it a try. Mmm. Delicious. Tell you, it is so good. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you enjoyed the recipe. If you like it, give it a big thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed as of yet, then please subscribe. And like always, have a happy, fun, safe, and blessed day. Bon appetit!